The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you find this video and podcast helpful. If you need some help, please feel free to call us at 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. We serve all of Illinois, and we're also happy to meet with you and provide most legal services virtually without requiring you to leave your home. Enjoy the video.
Hi everyone, this is Matt with Learn About Law, and in this video I'm going to discuss parentage in Illinois. What does parentage mean? In the simplest terms possible, parentage refers to being the legal parent of a child, generally used in the context of a father in a situation where there is a question surrounding paternity. Parentage is a key issue in legal actions seeking child support or parental responsibility. However, in Illinois, the concept of parentage is much more than this simple definition. Illinois law holds that an absence of marriage between a child's parents should never disadvantage a child in terms of their relationship with their parents or their financial well-being. What is the Illinois Department of Healthcare and Family Service, and what is its role with parentage? The Illinois Department of Healthcare and Family Service, the HFS, is the Illinois state administration responsible for providing child support services to ensure that both parents are financially responsible for their child. How do I establish child support in Illinois if I was never married to the other parent? Administrative paternity order under Illinois Administrative Code, the Department of Healthcare and Family Services, has authority to enter an order establishing paternity for a child. The mother can bring an administrative proceeding under the auspices of the HFS against the man she believes to be the father of her child. The HFS is empowered to order genetic testing to be done, first seeking the alleged father to willfully submit himself to the testing, and upon his refusal, entering an order compelling him to do so. Order of paternity. A mother has a cause of action to establish paternity for her child with the alleged father that she can bring before a court of law in Illinois. Conversely, an individual who is seeking to establish paternity over a child may also bring an action for paternity. These suits can be brought as early as the mother's pregnancy. A court has standing to adjudicate all of these issues related to parentage, including child support, parenting time, and establishing a parenting plan allocating parental responsibility. What is Voluntary Acknowledgment of Parentage, or VAP? A voluntary acknowledgment of parentage is a legal document that can be utilized by unwed parents who were never married to establish paternity. Once signed by both parents, the name of the father can be added to the child's birth certificate. With paternity established, the father will now have the obligations of parentage in Illinois. Note that signing a VAP will mean that the father is responsible for contributing financially to the child's upbringing. This will be in the form of child support if the father is not the parent with primary parent responsibility in Illinois, the non-custodial parent. My partner is pregnant. How do I establish myself as the child's legal father in Illinois? In Illinois, if the paternity of the child is acknowledged by both parties, unwed parents are presented forms at the hospital following the birth of their child. These documents allow the parents to legally establish paternity. These documents include a verified order to establish paternity by consent, reserving the issue of child support to a later date, and a verified petition to declare paternity. Once signed by both parents, these documents can be provided to the clerk of court for the local county circuit court and will be subsequently ratified by a judge who will enter an order establishing the paternity for the signed father. How long does a father have to establish paternity in Illinois? The statute of limitations for paternity suit is 2 years after the age of majority for the child in question. So this means that when the child turns 20 Can the mother stop me from seeing my child? The answer in most cases is, generally speaking, no, as a father has legal recourse to pursue a relationship with their offspring. If you have adjudicated your legal rights as a father, you can obtain a parenting time order as part of a larger parenting plan. You are likely entitled, depending on the circumstances in your case, to, at the very least, a minimum of valuable contact with your child. This can look like at least one overnight a week, with the child alternating weekends with you at your home. When can I claim my child on my tax form? The Internal Revenue Service rules surrounding dependents allows what they define as the custodial parent to claim a child as a dependent for the purposes of a tax form. In Illinois, the law would refer to this individual as the parent with primary parental responsibility. If I break up with my child's mother or father, do I get a share of our property? In Illinois, property acquired during the course of a marriage is presumed by the law to be marital property. In the event of a divorce, a court will distribute this property through a process called equitable distribution. When couples are unwed, no such presumption exists, and for the purposes of property law, the couple might as well be complete strangers. All assets that were acquired during the relationship will be presumed to be the property of whoever's name they are in. Keep in mind that this rule holds for gifts as well. As such, expensive presents like rings and vehicles exchanged over the course of the relationship will be unrecoverable if they are in the name of an ex. Can I collect maintenance or alimony from my former partner? No such concept exists in Illinois law for unwed couples. In a scenario where a couple has been together for a number of years, cohabiting the entire time, with one party financially dependent on the other, there is no legal recourse for establishing maintenance in the event of a breakup. Request a consultation with an experienced Illinois family law attorney. To learn more about breach of contract in Illinois, check out our article linked below, and be sure to leave any questions you have in the comments, and subscribe for more legal content daily.
Hello again, this is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you enjoyed the video and podcast. If you did, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to our channel. If you need legal help in this or any other area of law, please do not hesitate to reach out and schedule a consultation. Most consultations are free and all can be conducted remotely if you'd like. Please email us, book online, or call us at 630-324-6666. We have many locations for your convenience and we serve all of Illinois. So thanks again for watching.